Alright, before we start the video, slugs on his vortex. Straight chilling. Straight chilling, bro. Bro, you have a snail on your hood. I mean, on your roof.
It's my turbo.
Oh. The only turbo you got, like I said, is a normal Impreza. Alright.
Oh, excuse me, guys. What are you guys doing there?
Alright.
Oh, are you guys back for another install? I got you guys. Check it out. Today we're doing the Perrin manual shifter stop for the Subi for Kylie. Giving her a little upgrade because check this out. Come closer. Come closer. Let me show you guys. Put it in first. Boom, it's in first right there. Check out that wiggle though. What's up with that? And put it in third and no wiggle. Put it in fifth, a little wiggle, but that's horrible. Subi, what's going on, bros? You guys need to fix that. But yeah, and then second is the same thing. So pretty much just third and fourth are pretty good. Sixth, a little wiggly. But today we're gonna have to install this part. Hopefully that takes care of that. Alright, let me show you guys what's inside the box. Boom. Perrin Performance. Perrin or? Yeah, Perrin Performance. Shifter stop. Show you guys what comes in there. So that's the shifter stop itself, the Allen key, and then these two bolts and two washers. Install's gonna be pretty simple. We don't need directions. We're just gonna go for it. Full send. Full send for the boys.
That's why you get yourself a Honda. You don't have these problems.
Okay. But anyways, first things first. You remove. If you could remove this. Oh, there we go. Remove the shift knob. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
I'll trade you knobs.
No, slob on my knob. Damn, that's it. That's Wade, bro. Check that out. Yeah, after I don't know what to do. Anyways, after that, we pull out the little trim thing. Just try to be careful you don't break it. Just kind of pull it up. There we go. Ta-da! Don't be scared. And then,
ta-da!
Oh, ta-da! Just pull it all the way out. Full send. And that's your shifter right there. And then it kind of has one on this side already, but all we're gonna do is add the other one on this side, kind of complete the thing and give us just better fitment. All right, first things first, you're gonna need a 10 mil and a little ratchet just to take these off right here. These are this one and then one at the top, both 10 millimeters. So let's go ahead and take those off. All right, now that you got the stock ones out, you're gonna go ahead and get this piece out and place it on top. And then go ahead and use your new hardware. And then you don't want to tighten these down all the way, just enough to get them started, because you're still gonna have to move the little stops around. All right, so they're kind of tight right there. Now what we're gonna do is push it all the way into sixth, and then push this stop all the way to where it touches the shifter, and then we're gonna give it a little wiggle. That way it creates a little space between them. That should be pretty good. And then we'll do the same in sixth gear. Just give it a little wiggle, and then that should be good. All right, now you're gonna have to do the same thing for first and second. So go ahead and place it in first. There you go. And now push the the stop all the way next to the lever, and then again do the same thing, give it a good little wiggle, and then the same for second gear, just a little wiggle. Alright, and we should be pretty good right there. So now we tighten them down all the way. Alright, and that does it for that. So now make sure you can go into all the gears. Alright, you should be set. Alright, now we have to remove these little nuts on the side right here. There's one right there, and then there's another one on top. Remove those, and then we're gonna place the washers that came with the kit on there, and then place the nut back on. Alright, and then for these, they're gonna be 7mm, so probably your smallest tool. And then just try to be careful that they don't fall off. Alright, it's pretty loose, and I'm gonna use a magnet just to make sure I don't lose them. Ta-da! Boom, there's one.
And the second one's up top.
And the second one. Boom. Second one is out. And now we have to take our washers.
Alright, be careful with those.
Washers in. And now gotta be careful to put these back in there as well. Alright, washer. Boom.
Right, just want to be careful.
Super careful. You kind of gotta hold this, the whole bolt in, or else if you push it from this side, it'll just go straight through. So it's a little tricky. You gotta hold, and then try to get it with your other hand. Alright, and then when you're tightening it down, you wanna make sure the washer is nice and centered before you tighten it all the way down. Alright, you don't want them super tight, you just kind of want to have them tighten up. Alright, that's the bottom one, and then go ahead and do the top one. Alright, and there you go, pretty much done. Not as sloppy anymore. Just the right amount of wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Now that everything's tightened up, all you gotta do is put your little shift boot back on. And then just push the trim back in. And then make sure that goes through. There we go. That's done, and boom, last step, shift knob.
Well, if you're a noob, you need the knob, bro.
Oh, nice and tight. There we go, right about there. That's in first. See, pretty much no more wiggle. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Boom, Subi, fix your problem for less than 30 bucks. I think it was like 25 bucks for this piece. Takes care of that sloppiness, and that's how it should have been on from the factory. That's gonna do it for today's Install Wednesday.
Install.
Shout out to Main Street Closure. If you guys weren't there, you guys totally missed out. But, oh, another quick shout out, boom, to Throttle. The homie Evan Beckerman. Hopefully, you watch this video, bro? You better. I'll tag you on it. So you better come watch it, bro. I'm giving you a shout out. Anyway, that's gonna do it for today, guys. Anything you wanna say?
Can't do any mods right now.
we live in California, Central Valley, so it rains.
Every now and then it gets a little crazy, but today we had to do an inside mod. No big deal. Tomorrow we'll see if we can do something else. Outside maybe. I hope. If we can't, maybe a rally video in the SI. Oh. Let us know what you guys want to see next. Rally video in the SI or in the Subi, or both. We'll see. That'll do it for today, guys. Peace out and always keep improving.